Hey guys, Mason with GI Tactical. This is the Hakkotsu lower face mask. I guess the main point of this is just to protect your face from hits, protect your teeth, etc. It does have some ventilation in the front so your breath can escape. It does have an adjustable head strap. It's got the 4-point head strap too, so it'll actually stay on and won't slip down. And then it's got some rubber padding on the inside to rest against your cheekbone so it's not uncomfortable. If you're looking for something, maybe you didn't get teeth hits, maybe you've chipped a tooth in Airsoft, which I've seen happen, you should come, grab one of these, keep yourself protected.